Welcome! If you're looking to stop your phone from vibrating every time you get a snap or chat notification on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Vibrations can be helpful, but sometimes they can be distracting or just too much. Luckily, turning them off is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps to disable vibration for your snaps and chats notifications on Snapchat. First, grab your phone and go to your phone settings. This is usually the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the section called Apps. Tap on that to see a list of all your installed apps. Now, find Snapchat in the app list and select it. This will open the app-specific settings. From here, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification options Snapchat uses to alert you. Next, look for the option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This area breaks down the different types of notifications Snapchat sends. You'll want to focus on something called Individual Chats because this controls notifications for snaps and chat messages. Under Individual Chats, find the category labeled Snaps and Chats. Tap on that and you'll be taken to settings just for these notifications. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle for Vibrate. Simply switch that off. This stops your phone from vibrating whenever you get a snap or chat notification, letting you stay in the loop silently or with sound only, whichever you prefer. Once toggled off, you can exit out of settings and your change will be saved automatically. The next time you receive a snap or chat, your phone won't vibrate, no more buzzing distractions. And that's it. Turning off vibration for your Snapchat. Snaps and chats notifications can help you stay focused or enjoy quiet moments without missing important messages. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new vibration-free Snapchat experience.